Hi, my name is Suzanne Natbony, and I'm an attorney in California, and I represent a number of different medical spas and medical practices. And I'm also CEO of LawTake, hence the logos in the background, which is a website where attorneys can post legal information like documents and videos to help consumers. And I'm creating this video for not only LawTake, but our collaboration with LexUp, which is a database of documents drafted by attorneys that attorneys can share with others. I drafted this arbitration agreement. I wanted to revamp the standard one-page arbitration agreement. This is the standard one. I know it's kind of hard to see in the video, but you can see the required red font at the bottom that's per California law. And I created it to be 3 pages long. I needed to make it more extensive because this simple one-pager does not properly protect my clients. For one, the number one reason that I want my clients to go to arbitration versus litigation is to protect their privacy. This contract, the one pager, does not have a confidentiality clause. And so I added one to the 3-pager that I drafted to protect my clients. The other big thing that my arbitration agreement does is which really benefits in terms of the efficiency of the arbitration, if there is one, is that it curtails discovery. So it limits discovery to, let's say, 4 depositions. Why does the plaintiff need to depose more than 4 people, like the doctor, the nurse, the manager, and an expert? So it tries to make things more efficient. It uses streamlined rules, which are more efficient and more combining things than the regular rules. It also aims to put a cap on the maximum amount of damages, and so it provides for that. And it requires that the arbitration be conducted by an arbitrator who is a retired judge rather than attorney, so the judge is more experienced. And there are a number of other provisions that this arbitration agreement aims to help my clients in terms of maintaining their confidentiality and making their arbitration more efficient so they can go back to their practice. And so I highly recommend using an arbitration agreement because it helps to keep away pesky patients from going to small claims court. So I hope you will check it out, and it's for sale on LexUp and LawTake, or you can contact me. Thank you.